Hi friends, in this video let us solve the signal system related question asked in GATE 2007 triple paper. The question is x of z is equal to 1 minus 3z, y of z is equal to 1 plus 2z power minus 2 or z transforms of x and 1 y n respectively. A LTID system has the impulse response defined by h of n is equal to x of n minus 1 star y of n. Then output of the system for input del of n minus 1. So that is the question. So what they have given? They have given x of z is equal to 1 minus 3z, right? Y of z they have given 1 plus 2z power minus 2, right? Okay. So what they are having, h of n is given. H of n is x of n minus 1 star y of n. So if I take the transform h of z is equal to, what I get is h of z is equal to for x. Okay. The transform converts convolution into multiplication. So for x of n minus 1, the transform is z power minus 1 x of z. Convolution will become a multiplication. So y of z. Okay, so this is h of z. So h of z is equal to z inverse. X of z is 1 minus 3 z inverse. Actually 3 z inverse, 3 z power minus 1. Right, so it is 3 z inverse. Then 1 plus 2 z power minus 2. Right, so this is z inverse 1 minus 3 z inverse 1 plus 2 z power minus 2. This is our h of z. What they are asking is output of the system y of n. So they are asking y of n. So what is, so from this we will find one thing. Y of n I want. We know h of z is equal to y of z divided by x of z. So this implies y of z is equal to h of z dot x of z. So if I take inverse Laplace, multiply h of z with x of z, and take inverse Laplace, or inverse transform, what I get is y of n. So y of z is equal to h of z is z inverse 1 minus 3 z inverse into 1 minus 1 plus 2 z power minus 2 into x of z. X of z is 1 minus 3 z. Right? Okay, sorry. When input is del of n minus 1. So this when input is x of n minus del of n. This is when input is this one. What is y of z? What is the output? So this is x of n means what is x of z? X of z is nothing but z power minus 1. Simply for del of n minus 1, the transform is z power minus 1. So do this. If I multiply this, what I get is z minus 2. I get the ultimate answer is this one, 2 z power minus 4 minus 6 z power minus 5. So what I get is, if I take inverse z transform, is del of n minus 2 minus 3 del of n minus 3 plus 2 del of n minus 4 minus 6 del of n minus 5. So this is my y of n. Okay. So what they are asking, when input is del of n minus 1, what is our output? So from x of z and y of z, I find h of z. Alright. So h of z is, this is the answer, right? Convolution between x and y. Okay. So from this, that's what they are given, right? So h of n is equal to convolution between x and y. So this is x of z. So for that I get this answer, y of n I get this answer. So impulse response I got it. So y of z is equal to x of z into h of z. We know for this input, what is my output? That's what they asked. If an input is del of n minus 1, x of z is z power minus 1 h of z I got already. Substitute this and get the answer. That's what you are getting here. Thank you.